Oh, hello, Royce. It's my new scooter. It's a steel blade. It's steel. Got your chunky one-piece bar thing up here. It's one-piece steer tube all the way up to there. The headset threads. Yeah, got my pro grip tape job on it. Found leftover grip in my room. Snapped my deck the other day, so I still deckless for a while. Gonna bust out some gnarly truck. Alright, stack and die, stack and die, stack and die, stack and die. Oh, yeah. Oh!